So Dad is just taping off the bombardier here. He's going to put truck bed spray on the door panel that he just opened up, and he's just putting all the paper on right now and the frog tape, so when he goes to paint, nothing sprays over. It takes longer for him to set up than it does for him to paint, but just want to make sure we don't get overspray on this machine. And so if you notice here, we got the other bombardier in the shop here now. So this came in from out of province, and Dad's doing some special deal here where he'll help this guy out if he helps Dad out with putting this machine together. But unexpected Saturday surprise here. But hopefully this machine gets in and out of the shop here before we even roll off this machine, or everything's going to be put together, and then we're going to put the tracks on it before this leaves. So yeah, we'll find out what's going on here, but this is believed to be a 48 Woody narrow gauge. So Dad got everything taped up and papered up, and he just sanded the area here. Okay. So he's just going to wipe everything down here now. He just gave it a quick blow with the air hose to get all the stuff off. Yeah.
Blew it off first of all.
Yeah. Can't put down that truck bed spray without wiping everything down. And the intent here with the truck bed spray is to just give it a good coating so that nothing is getting in there for like snow and ice and rain when you're parked. So it's just protecting the front.
Too much dust is on there.
Yeah.
You can't go with that top of that.
It'll start flaking and whatever else. So
No, it'll start lifting.
yeah.
After you give it a wipe down, this is factory wipe down cloth, eh?
Okay.
That one is again. It's called tack cloth, eh?
Okay.
This is just if you're fussy. If you're not fussy, you just sand it and spray it. Eh?
Yeah.
You're going to the bush anyway. So
Yeah.
what the hell?
But Dad's fussy, and this is one of the 60,000 things that he has in the shop, and you know, he's got it, so he might as well use it, and he wants to make sure he's doing it right and not having to redo it again. There you go. Yeah, the blue's coming out there.
Okay, now we're ready.
Okay. Now Dad is using a truck bed spray that we...
After, it goes on nice and smooth, where most of this stuff you buy uptown is grease and tar mixed.
Okay.
Bubbles up.
So we got the right stuff here for the customer, and Dad's just spraying it on now. Now, if you're going to use this, I would recommend you put on a mask and have a good ventilated area, but Dad's been smoking for 70 years.
How old you are.
Yeah,
once you get over 65, what the hell do you want a mask for? You live until you're 90, you'll probably be brain dead.
Yeah. I'm just standing back because I got a few more years on me yet. So again, this is just truck bed spray. We'll show you the can of what Dad's using. We special ordered it in because we couldn't get it locally. And we'll show you what the label here later.
Using a well-ventilated area.
Yeah.
3,000 square feet.
Okay.
Let's see how it looks tomorrow. Now it's happening too.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the label here. And this is Raptor truck bed coating. And we just got this off of Amazon. Dad used to use a 3M version, but he couldn't get it anymore. So he's just inspecting here. Probably do a couple more sprays yet, and go from there. You're gonna maul your cat, eh? Oh, you're lucky that cat loves you. Lucky.